not subscribed to our channel, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button as shown above. Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. Today I am going to cover a very different kind of topic. What we have done is, in this video we have analyzed the planetary positions at the time of earthquake in Latur as well as in Gujarat, and based on that we will try to analyze when the next possible earthquake can happen when we have similar planetary positions as at the point of those two earthquakes, and based on that let us arrive at a possible future earthquake date. Now in this screen you can see two charts. The chart on the left hand side is that of the Gujarat earthquake. So in Gujarat there was a very severe earthquake on 26 January 2001, and let us see the planetary positions at that time. You can see that Saturn is trying to move into the earth sign of Taurus. He is exactly at 0 degrees in Taurus, and Saturn is a malefic planet. The next thing to note is the second earth sign of Capricorn has Sun and Moon present in it. That is, Sun Moon conjunction is there along with Neptune Uranus conjunction. Look at the position of Mars. Mars is placed in the sign of Libra and he is aspecting the sign of Taurus where Saturn is present. So you can see the earth sign is very heavily activated in this time period, and therefore on this date there was a severe earthquake. Now let us look at the right hand side chart which shows the Latur earthquake which occurred on 30th September 1993, 3:56 am, and many people lost their lives in this earthquake. So in this earthquake, again you can see on the right hand side chart, you have Mars with Pluto in the sign of Libra or Tula, and Mars is putting his 8th aspect on the sign of Taurus where Ketu is present. So again the earth sign of Taurus is badly afflicted by Mars's 8th aspect. Again you can see Saturn is at 0 degrees at the boundary of Capricorn and Aquarius. So when both these earthquakes occurred, Saturn was at the 0 degree border. Again you can see in the Latur earthquake chart, that is the right hand side chart, the moon and the sun are mutually aspecting each other, which means that these earthquakes occurred either on the Amavasya day or the Purnima day, that is the full moon day or new moon day. Again you can see Uranus Neptune conjunction, this time in the sign of Dhanu or Sagittarius. So you can see many common things when both these earthquakes occurred. So one of the most common features that struck me was that Saturn was trying to enter into Capricorn in the Latur earthquake case, which is an earth sign, and in the Gujarat earthquake case also Saturn was about to enter into Taurus, which is an earth sign. So it means that when Saturn is trying to enter an earth sign and there is Amavasya or Purnima, as well as Mars is putting his malefic aspect on the earth sign, then an earthquake gets triggered. Uranus has to be close to Neptune, or Uranus can be one sign away from Neptune, but Uranus also contributes to earthquakes. So these were some of the common things which we can see when both the Gujarat earthquake occurred as well as the Latur earthquake occurred. Now at present, what is happening? Saturn is in the sign of Aquarius. He is right now retrograde, that is moving backwards from 5th June 2022. And he is going to cross over into the sign of Capricorn on 12th July 2022. So I thought this can be one probable period when the earthquake could occur. So let us check that chart now. So again on this screen, you will see two charts. First chart is on 12th July 2022 when the retrograde Saturn tries to re-enter into Capricorn, and therefore Saturn is trying to enter into an earth sign. You can see Saturn is at 0 degree at this point, that is, he is at the border. You can also see that in the sign of Aries, Mars, Uranus and Rahu are conjunct together. You can see Sun and Moon mutually aspecting each other. Mars is indeed aspecting Ketu in Libra, but the earth signs of Taurus is not affected. The earth sign of Virgo is not affected. Capricorn is affected because Saturn is trying to enter it and move towards Pluto. So on this date, there is a very low probability of earthquake. I don't see a possibility of earthquake around 12th July 2022. Nevertheless, because Saturn was crossing the boundary and entering into Capricorn, I considered this date. So chances of an earthquake around 12th July 2022 is very low. You can find more fire incidents in this time because the sign of Aries, which is a fire sign, is activated, which has Rahu, Mars and Uranus in it. So fire incidents will increase, but in this time I don't see the possibility of a very powerful earthquake. Now again on 23rd January 2023, you will find Saturn and Venus both at 0 degrees at the border of Capricorn and Aquarius. So again this means an earthquake could be triggered. I checked the second condition. Is there some connection between the Sun and the Moon? And is it in an earth sign? Yes, Sun and Moon are conjunct together in Capricorn along with Pluto. So that indeed triggers the earth sign. Now let us look at the next earth sign, that is Taurus. In Taurus, you can find Mars sitting there. So even the sign of Taurus is affected. From Aries, you have Uranus and Rahu conjunct together and they are both aspecting Ketu. So this is a potential time when an earthquake can occur, that is around 23rd January 2023 based on my analysis. One more interesting thing is, why did the Gujarat earthquake occur? Why did the Latur earthquake occur with great intensity? If you see, Mars was in the sign of Libra at that time and he was aspecting the sign of Taurus, which is India's ascendant, that is India's body. And therefore this earthquake was very severe. In this case, on 23rd January 2023, it is not Mars's 8th aspect that falls on the sign of Taurus. Nevertheless, Mars is present in the sign of Taurus. The sign of Capricorn, which is an earth sign, is also heavily activated. And therefore, there is a possibility of a strong earthquake. In the month of January 2023 and more so around 23rd January 2023, based on this analysis. So let us see whether this prediction comes true or not. Now I had heard many people saying that in 2022 there will be many earthquakes. But honestly speaking, when I did this analysis, I did not really find many such points except around August 1st, 2022, when Rahu, Mars and Uranus conjunct exactly at 24 degrees in the sign of Aries. But Aries is a fire sign, so it means that that conjunction has more to do with war, with airplanes, with fire. And probability of earthquake is still low. So in the year 2022, I still feel we are relatively safe. There could be small earthquakes, but definitely I don't see a major earthquake coming immediately. On the other hand, at the start of 2023, that is in the month of Jan, I see a higher probability of an earthquake occurring, especially around 23rd January 2023. So this is my short analysis on earthquakes. So friends, if you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. For any consultations, email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. To know more about us, visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. So friends, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye and stay safe.